What's up everybody and welcome. Today we're actually back at the shop because we're going to work on our generator. This is from episode 66. That's if you want to see the whole thing, you can watch that episode. Here's a little clip from it so you can actually see what happened. So we got the generator hanging. She's out of our hole here. Actually I had to just disconnect the mounts off the pan here. And some of them actually came off all by themselves from sitting in oil. They rotted away, so we're going to have to get some new mounts for it. But here, I'll show you what we found. Zoom in. There's the oil drip right there. Wipe it off. You can see it right away already. Oh. Yummy. So here's the generator. Actually the pan itself has been draining for about a week now. You can see the mess there. We got all of our new parts here. So you know what time it is. It's time to roll that sweet footage. Alright, we're about ready to fire it up here. Tomorrow, actually let me show you what we're going to do tomorrow. So up here is our generator from probably 20 episodes ago. That one runs, I rebuilt it. I'm going to unhook all that. Put this generator up there. That way we can test fire it, make sure everything is good before we stick it back in the boat. That being said, I'm going to clean my mess up here, get this ready for tomorrow, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching. First bolt I try to take out. It already got me.